Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Princely Projects. Okay, today I'm going to show us how to import AutoCAD file in Revit. Okay, yeah, right. First of all, this is the AutoCAD interface. I'm going to open it right now. I'm going to choose a recent document. Just choose one document I've worked on. Okay, click on this. All right. Okay, so the first thing you have to do on this AutoCAD file in order to import is that you have to save these files in a different drawing. So we're going to select the plans separately. First of all, select the plans and then click on this button. You click on this button, you add, and then go back to this main drawings and then copy this file and Ctrl C, and you click here and you drop it. You can do Ctrl V, you drop it, and that's it. And the next thing, you go back to the main file, copy the next floor, which is the first floor, copy the first floor, Ctrl C, and then you add another sheet and you press Ctrl V. All right, okay, so the next thing is to align the drawings to the coordinates. These are the coordinates, you can see them. So I just want to align this drawing to these coordinates. How do I do that? So you click on the coordinates and drag, put it on the edge of the drawing. See, click it there, so it's aligned now. Do the same thing for the next drawing. Click on this and drag, move to the edge of the right. So the drawing is aligned. So check this, it's very aligned, and you can check this, very aligned as well. Okay, so once you align it, you move it to the endpoint of the drawing. You can also delete anything you might not need in the Revit software. Also, the furnitures, like the furnitures and layers unwanted. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to delete anything. So then the next thing is you have to save this file. These two drawings, you have to save it. Okay, you click on this save. As you can see, you can save these files. I can say drawing, let me use, because I already have some drawings here. I can say drawing, I'm not going to use drawing, I'm just going to use something different. Let's say D1, okay, save. And the next thing is saving the other drawing. Okay, so this one, you can save this as well. You can call it D2, okay, you save, click on save. All right, so now we have saved our drawings. The next thing is to open your Revit software. Okay, now we have saved our AutoCAD files, so we are going to import our AutoCAD files in Revit. So the first thing you have to do here is you have to change the unit as per the unit in AutoCAD file. So okay, so how you do that is you click, you can use your keyboard, just type UN, and then the project unit appears. So check on length and change to meters and decimal places too. Okay, all right. So the next thing is you have to import. So how do we do that? We go to insert, then click on import card, and then look for your file. Remember, we saved with D1 and D2, so I'm going to check on D1, and then here I'm going to change these parameters and all that. So colors, I will change it to black and white. So black and white, and importing it, I'm just going to change it to meters. Remember, so the origin, the positionings, you have to I'm going to put it to center. That's for me. Or you know what you want, you just make as per you want. So center to center, then place at level 0. We already on level 0, remember. So I will just click open and the file appears. All right, so that's it. So I'm equally going to make the same for the level 1. All right, I'll go to level 1, open level 1, and so yeah, same insert, import card, then check for the drawing 2. So here you see that Revit remembers all our settings. So that's it. You just click on open. So it's already here. So you can see that, right? We have imported our AutoCAD files in Revit, but just a little bit, I'm just seeing some things. As you can see, if I zoom in, I can see that these walls are not in alignment. So what do? You can use go to the modify tool and use the alignment tool. You can use AL tool, and so we want to align it to this wall. So you click here and click here. That's it. All right, escape. So now we have successfully imported our AutoCAD file in Revit. One more thing is this, because we usually make our walls on these drawings, we don't want it to move, we don't want it to shake. So what do? We have to click on it and then click on pin, PN for the shortcut, then pin. You pin this wall, so it's not gonna move. It's not gonna. I can't drag it. I can't move it. So you can see. So you do the same thing for the level 1 for the upper floor. So level 1, you can check it here. Check. So that's it. Pin. All right. So this is pretty much on how to import AutoCAD file into Revit. Okay, one more additional thing to this, sometimes the walls are similar with CAD drawings, so, and sometimes they are much thicker, so you don't even know which is your wall or which is your imported file. So what you do is this: you go to your visibility graphics. You can use the shortcut on the keyboard VG, just VG. Okay, VG, you can see model category, annotation category, analytical model category, imported category, and filters. So I want to go to imported category because I imported these ones. So go to imported categories. There are options on visibility, project surface, and halftones. So on visibility, it just show it you can click on these and it will become, if you uncheck this, the drawings are going to be invisible. So, but we need it to be visible so that we can make our walls on it. So on the lines, which is under the position and surface, you can change the colors on the lines. If you want to, you can override the colors. You can change the colors. Just play around with this. Yeah. So you can change the colors and line weight and as well. So I don't need this for now. So what I want to do is I want to make the lines a little bit faint so that I can make my drawings on it. So on halftones, I can just check on this halftone, and you can do that for the same for two of them. You can do that. You can check on the halftones and click apply and click OK. So now you can see the lines are faint, a little bit faint. You can see them, but they're not just more visible than your walls. So yeah, you can choose to make these settings after drawing on the walls, but I prefer to make the lines faint so I can be able to see them while I'm making my walls on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you have questions and comments or any suggestions for any future tutorials, make sure you leave them on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.